Hello, good morning, class. I hope you're all doing well. Today we will be going over this Gerund phrases worksheet from your grammar book. This is 3 pages, so I will be going over each page separately and getting into the details and giving you the answers. So we have here, this was assigned to you as exercise, like practice exercise, so I want to go over the answers very quickly. So gerunds, verbals are formed from verbs and are used as adjectives, nouns, or adverbs. One kind of verbal is the gerund. A gerund is a verb that ends in ing and that is used as a noun. Remember, it is mostly used as a noun, not an adjective. A participle is used as an adjective, and a gerund is used as a noun. So here are some examples. Swimming exercises every major muscle. Swimming, formed from the verb swim, is the subject of the verb exercises. And the next sentence, before running, I like to do some stretches. Running, formed from the verb run, is the object of the preposition before. So the exercise here states the instructions in the following sentences. Underline the gerund, then tell whether the gerund is a subject, a predicate nominative, a direct object, an indirect object, or an object of a preposition. So let's go over these answers very quickly. For number 1, we have obviously swimming, another aquatic sport, demands physical endurance. So swimming is going to be the gerund here. So if it ends in ing, it's either a present participle or a gerund, but of course, since this is all about gerunds, they will all be gerunds. So it is a subject. We can see here that swimming is the subject of the sentence. Swimming, another aquatic sport, demands physical endurance. Number 2, a more leisurely form of exercise is walking. This is a predicate nominative. Walking is going to be your gerund, and it is basically renaming what a more leisurely form of exercise is. It is relabeling exercise as walking. Number 3, although it may seem leisurely, sailing also requires strength. So again, sailing is going to be our gerund, and it is the subject of this sentence. Number 4, Petra prefers water skiing and is quite good at it. So this here is going to be, water skiing is going to be your gerund, and it is the direct object of the verb prefers. What does Petra prefer? She prefers water skiing and is quite good at it. Number 5, for me, nothing beats the thrill of cycling. Cycling is going to be your gerund, again, ing, and it comes before a preposition, so it must be the object of a preposition. Number 6, was Olympian Babe Zaharias best known for her running? Running is the gerund, and again, we have a preposition here, for, so it is the direct object of it's the object of the preposition for. What was Babe Zaharias best known for her running? Or it's asking a question. Was Olympian Babe Zaharias best known for her running? Number 7, wasn't her forte golfing? So again, golfing here is going to be your gerund, and it is a predicate nominative. It is renaming forte. Forte means strength, or what she was good at. So it's saying, wasn't her forte golfing? This is renaming what her forte was. Number 8, which contestants won medals in tumbling? So tumbling is going to be your gerund once again, and it is the object of a preposition. We have a preposition here, in. If it's following a preposition, it's the object of a preposition. Number 9, figure skating is certainly a graceful sport. So figure skating, it seems like it's 2 words, but it's basically 1 word. It's 1 noun. It's 1 thing. It's the same thing. So to figure skate or to skate is the verb, and we are making it ing. So figure skating is a graceful sport. So this is again the subject of the sentence. Number 10, every person should find a way of exercising for health and for pleasure. So exercising here is going to be your answer, your gerund, and it is what? What do you see here? You see a preposition, so it's the object of a preposition. Number 11, Some kinds of exercise require planning and expense. So again, planning is going to be your gerund, and it is the direct object of the verb require. Some kinds of exercise require planning and expense. Number 12, sports, however, are not the only means of staying fit. So staying is going to be your gerund, and it's following the word of, so it must be the object of a preposition. And number 13, even bird watching can offer opportunities for exercise. So this one should just say watching or bird watching, but this is going to be your gerund here. Even bird watching can offer opportunities for exercise, and it is the subject of the sentence once again. Number 14, avid bird watchers often do a lot of hiking. So hiking is going to be your gerund, and obviously if it's following an of, it is the object of a preposition. Number 15, on weekends, give gardening a try. This is an indirect object. So gardening is going to be the gerund, and it is the indirect object. What should you should give something a try. What should you give a try? Gardening. Number 16, hoeing gives a person's arms and shoulders a real workout. Hoeing is going to be your gerund. This one, if you don't know, if you didn't get it, I understand. A hoe is like a tool used for gardening or used for farming, and it's used to dig into soil and dig into dirt. So using it is called hoeing. Hoeing gives a person's arms and shoulders a real workout. This is the subject of the sentence. Number 17, in the fall, fallen leaves need raking. Raking is going to be, again, it's the gerund phrase here, raking, and it is a direct object. In the fall, fallen leaves need raking. So it's the direct object of what the fallen leaves need. They need to be raked. Number 18, my least favorite kind of yard work is mowing. Mowing is going to be your gerund, and it is a predicate nominative because it is renaming what your least favorite kind of yard work is. It's telling you what it is. Number 19, for some people, of course, working provides exercise. So working is going to be your gerund. Once again, working is your gerund, and it is the subject of the sentence. For some people, of course, working provides exercise. And number 20, finally, vacuuming and other household chores also require effort and energy. So vacuuming is going to be the main, vacuuming is the main subject of the sentence, and it is the gerund. We will watch the next video to go over the next page in gerund phrase, please.